Guys, Beelzebub here. They were gonna go into the ring. Oh wait. Just remove this. There you go. Oh no! Oh yeah! Let's go! We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship, going through the sky. Yeah. Oh, it's so muddy in here. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh gosh, dang it, Which way should we go? Let's go in here. Come on. Let's go. Do this. Wait, what the? Yeah. My pants is falling. Okay, let's go. Keep on moving. Let's go. Keep on moving. Let's go. I don't know if they can hear me. Oh. Gosh dang it, my pants keep on falling down. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Gosh dang it, my pants. Stop falling, please, I beg you. No! My umbrella! Oh no! My umbrella is big, bro. Just give me hands. Can you please stop falling? Like job left it back. Let's go. See this? Can you see? There. Going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. Gosh, dang it, pants! Stop falling for 1 second, please. Oh, dang it. Yeah. Let's go. Just keep on walking. Can you see? Yeah. We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. big in here. On the boat, the pretty to explore, way so much to fun. You see the way? See the limestone. Yeah, come on, let's go. See the limestone. Yeah. It's flooded. The thunder. The reason why I like rain. It's so cold. Oh no. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Keep on moving. Let me see it. I'm just gonna. There. Can you see the kids over there? Playing around. Let's go. Kids are playing. Let's go over here. Nothing much in here. Ooh, that was a big one. Let's go already. Oh, the wind's getting stronger and stronger. I need to go home. Wee, yeah. let's go. Keep on moving. Getting along well. Oh no. Oh my god. Yes. Keep on walking the street. Oh, aray! Oh. Nice car. There's my house. Come on, let's go. Okay. We finally made it. Come on, open the door. Whoosh. Yes. Oh no, the umbrella. Hindi man.
Wala na yun.
Oh, yes. Go.
Wala na yun.
These pants keep on falling. We are home. Wait, guys. Finally made it home. I slipped on my way here. Like, what the flip? That's so embarrassing. At least I made it home at last. Home sweet home. Home sweet home, baby. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like it, hit that like button, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Sana may sa video. Bye-bye!